it is our privilege to have you here.
Thank you.
Your hair transplant with 3,500 grafts being done in 2018, I think 27th of December.
Yeah, exactly.
It's almost 6 months.
Completed 6 months.
Can you comprehend your journey?
It was great. First, I was like really nervous about it. That will this happen? Will it be like successful? How exactly it was? I did a lot of research that what exactly I have to do. So I decided that instead of going through like a transplant with these normal clinics, I should go with the best, because obviously quality comes at a price. So now it's the experience is wonderful, and it has completely changed, and now I have regained the confidence which is possible. And first I used to wear cap, now it's gone, and it's completely amazing, and the results are extremely. It's only 6 months now.
Can we have a closer look?
Sure.
So this is 3,556 grafts in 6 hours of the session with perfect eye technique. And how was your experience in the first week of the surgery? How painful it was? What is the comfort level after the surgery?
Actually, I didn't have any problem with it, because I didn't have any swelling at all. Because everyone has advised me that sit asleep in this position, or whatever the things the people have told me to do. So I was doing it. So there was no swelling, nothing, pain. I didn't even have the painkiller. It was like very normal. So the only thing which you'll feel is the numbness in your head, and then you can relax, you can listen to the music, and it's gone. It's not at all so you have to be worried about.
And how soon you started working?
I took time, because I was on a holiday. That was a holiday season going on for me. So I went on work after 10-15 days because I was on a leave, and I was in that was a holiday season going on. So, but you can go to work maybe in next 3 days or 4 days, because it's absolutely within 24 hours you'll feel back to yourself. Nothing is to be worried about. What's my head is swelling, but it takes time, like 2 or 3, because swelling is there, so there would be a little bit swelling here. So if it's hardly, maybe you should take like 3 or 4 days.
So this is 6 months. We hope 20% or 30% more growth in terms of the density and the thickness. This is just 6-7 months or 6-7 months.
6-7 months.
So hope in 3 more months you will this look will be much better.
Yeah, it's great actually. It's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice experience, and like the results have come really fast for me, I guess. But let's expect more density in 12 months, because the complete result comes in complete 1 year, I guess.
Yeah.
So that's the entire thing.
Thank you for
You're welcome.
this small experience.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
All right, thank you.